Hey guys, Brian back here with another Kaspa update. Alright, a little bit of fear out there today. I totally understand. Thing ended up, Kaspa ended up pulling back a little bit further than we were expecting. Alright, if we look at the numbers here, we're down 6% for the day right now. Alright, so we're going to get in here and look at this chart right now and see what's going on here. Okay, we had this falling wedge. Okay, definitely a legit falling wedge, because now we are coming back and back testing it. Okay, if we zoom in here real good, you can see, boy, look at the sell volume down here. Holy cow, I think a lot of people are going to regret that. How many times have we had fake outs in this market? Okay, it breaks down one way and people panic sell, and then it rips back up in there. I'm not saying that's what it's going to do, but you see it a lot in this market, a lot of fake outs. Okay, what ended up happening here, if we go back here, we end up coming back right back to this breakout level back in June 20th. Okay, so you can, this level right here, we end up coming right back to it and retesting it, and it looks like we're bouncing here. I'm expecting us to break up through here. Okay, might take a minute, might happen during this video. Okay, one thing I want to take a look at here real quick, the crypto bubbles. You can see everything is down today, so it's not just us guys, it's the whole market out there. Just a corrective day out there. Bitcoin itself is let's see what Bitcoin's doing here. Hope everybody's having a good day out there, and if you would please hit the like and subscribe, I would very much appreciate that, guys. Helps me out a lot, and I would thank you very much for it. Alright, here we go again with these fake outs. Okay, Bitcoin had this breakout of this wedge, came back down, broke back down in the wedge, and now broke out again. Okay, so it came back down to it looks like a viable level there, because it's coming down and hitting it now a couple times here. This thing has bounced here, right back there, well, here, back here. Yeah, pretty interesting how it comes back to that 30,200 area. So, but let's look at the RSIs on this thing. Bitcoin's down 283 bucks, down to $30,494. All right, if we look at the RSIs, the 1 hour is at the top, but look how low it is down here on the bottom on a regular RSI. That thing is super low. Here we go again. The 4 hour is reset. That thing is ready to go. The 8 hour just about reset. That thing should when's the next, let's see here, 12, looks like midnight tonight. That thing should be down there. 12 hour is at the bottom. Looks like could be correcting a little bit more here. And the daily is correcting. The daily is pretty high there. Okay, we all know where the weekly and the monthly are at. They're beautiful. Weekly is turning up. Let's see here, what do we got? Okay, we have a lower high coming in here. We put a line on there. You can see we have a lower high. Okay, we had this high right here, which was not higher than this one. Alright, now we're getting a lower high over here on a higher high price, so that's bearish there. Hopefully this thing pops up through this yellow line and it changes this, but for right now that's definitely bearish. That's on the weekly. Alright, so we definitely want to see this Bitcoin move up more and break that line, and hopefully not roll over. But the weekly RSI is looking great. The monthly is also looking fantastic. Look how low the monthly is down here. The thing's got a wow, look how high that went during the bull run, and that was back. This one was the 2017 bull run. This was the 2021 bull run. All right, see, and you can see where the RSIs were when these things topped out. It was a lot higher. This one here is pretty low. That's why I think it's coming in for a retracement, but we'll see what happens. That's what that green line is up there, $48,000. We'll see what happens in the market, but in the short term, Bitcoin is really just holding ground right now. Okay, it bounced back out of this pattern, so it's holding ground. It has the 8 hours about reset. The 4 hour is reset. So we'll see what happens here. Look at this thing. It's just gone sideways, just chopping sideways. Nothing, you know, just nothing. They get a higher high in here, you know, but I don't know. We'll see what happens here with this thing. We need Bitcoin to move. All right, let's move on here. Bitcoin dominance. We haven't looked at that for a couple days. Let's see where that's at real quick. There we go. Still breaking down, really. Ain't showing any strength here. Hasn't even retested this line. It did retest this line here that we put in there, and that could be as high as it goes. The 4 hours at the top, so that thing could start rolling over now. So that thing, the DXY real quick, then we'll get back to this chart, because I have not looked at them either myself. So we still got that lower high coming in. All right, we got the 4 hour at the top, 8 hour turning up, the 12 turning up, and the daily is at the top. Okay, you can see it's printing a lower high on the RSI down here, so that's good. Looks like we have this high here, which is right there, and we have this one here printing, which looks like it's going to be a lower high. So that's what we've been looking for. All right, and that is it. Let's get back to Kaspa. And I told you guys the last video, I joined up with MEXC. It's a trading company out there. You can trade futures contracts, you can spot trade, whatever, buy crypto on there or whatever. But if you're in the United States, you'd have to use a VPN there to access everything. You can still access the site without a VPN, but if you have a VPN, you can access everything. But it is pretty cool. Okay, they sent me a message a month ago. I checked it out for a month, and it's a really cool site. They have a lot of users. So every time somebody signs up, I get a little something, the referral bonus or something. But I thought I'd try it out. I checked the site out. I feel confident about putting it on our videos. It'll be in the description of the video, but you can claim $1,000 bonus on there when you go on there, up to, you know, when you do deposits. You get this one here, you get $5 back when you deposit 300, $10 when you deposit 5. There's all kinds of stuff in there, but what I thought was cool was this copy trade. It's awesome, really. I can see that being a huge, you know, when you got traders that let's see here, 7-day win rate, 100%. You know, what happens is when you follow them, when they place a trade, the computer automatically places a trade with them for you, and they get a small percentage of the wins. But these 100% winners, total P&L for the week. So pretty cool. I think I feel confident about telling you guys about it on my site. But look at some of these big numbers. There's some really good traders on here. So if you want, guys, go check it out. And if you do sign up, please use the link. I would appreciate that so very much. Okay, I'm not going to keep showing you this every video. I just want to show it because a lot of people don't watch every single video I put out. So, but I'm not going to be showing you this every time. So we're going to get away from that. I might do it one more video then I'm just going to mention it verbally, and that's it. I don't want to bore you guys. All right, so let's zoom in here on Kaspa. All right, let's get rid of a couple things. Let's get rid of that, and let's get out the fib. Look at that bounce! Holy cow! All right, so you can see that was a perfect bounce. It definitely was. The other day when I put my fib on here, I'll be honest with you guys, I think I put it up here, which I shouldn't have. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. I was being a dummy, but it should have been down here. This is the low of the move. All right, this is the swing low, and that's the swing high. So you can see we hit the 618 right on the dot. Okay, it was right on this support line also. So we're looking fine. That, you know, it looks like we're about to get back into that wedge. Let's put this on a 15-minute. We got actually rejected off of it so far. Whoops, let me put that back. You can see if we zoom in here, this is the wedge right here, that blue line, and we came up and hit it. We did get rejected off it on the 15-minute here, okay? But we have the 1 hour going up. We have the 4 hour going up. We have the 8 hour reset. That's down. That thing could turn up any second. We got the 12 hour reset. So, and the daily is pretty much reset. So I don't see any more down pressure for this thing. I really don't. I think that's it. I'm calling a bottom there. I'm pretty confident on saying that. 0.0208, that 618, we are not going to go below that, in my opinion. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. It's not financial advice, so please listen to somebody qualified for that. I have to say that stuff so I don't get in trouble. But a perfect 618, that's what you want to see. All right, I'm sorry that I measured it wrong the other day. I don't know what I was thinking. I ended up putting my Fibonacci up here, and I shouldn't have. I don't know what I was thinking. So that's where it should be. So we're looking fine. The RSIs look totally fine, and I'm expecting us to break back up into this wedge and break out the top of it real soon. Like I said, the weekly. Let's look at these. Look at that weekly. That thing is perfect. And let's go through these one more time. That daily is ready to turn up any second. The 12 hour, look at that, flat as can be. The 8 hour on the bottom. The 4 hour is turning up. You can see it hooking up. And the 1 hour is heading up. So we're due for a blast here. Absolutely. You know, we could get a real fast move here. This thing could really take off quick. So I'm calling a bottom here, and I believe that Kaspa is going to be making some big moves here. All these RSIs are reset. They're all very, very low. I like seeing that. That's perfect. The whole way down here on the bottom, it's at a 30. The 8 hour is at a 26 down here. That's super low. The 12 hour is at 33. And the daily's a little high. It's at a 48. The weekly is at a 58. So Kaspa looks fine. Please don't panic. People that panic sell down here, I'm sorry, they're really going to regret it. Check this out. This picture here. I thought this was really awesome. The evolution of money. Bitcoin digital gold, Kaspa digital silver. As the caveman here, you know, walking along. It goes from, geez, what do they got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different caveman. Maybe this is an ape here. I don't know what this is down here. A chicken, a cow. Oh, currency. This would be currency that they used. Traded chickens, traded cattle. Looks like gold, money, credit cards, Bitcoin, and then Kaspa in the future. So pretty cool. I thought it was neat. I thought I'd put it up there for you guys to check out. So, all right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button, and hang in there. Be positive. You know, life's short. Enjoy it. I don't think we have anything to worry about with Kaspa. I think we're perfectly fine. So have a good night, everybody. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I very, very much appreciate it.